This week, Elon Musk revealed something that sounds straight out of science fiction. SpaceX wants to build so-called mass drivers on the moon. This is basically giant magnetic cannons that can launch AI satellites into deep space. Let's break down what it is, why they're doing it, and what it could mean for the future. So first, what exactly is a lunar mass driver? Imagine a very long track, several kilometers long, built on the moon's surface. It uses powerful magnets to gradually accelerate payloads up to lunar escape velocity. Because the moon has only 1/6 of Earth's gravity and no atmosphere, you don't need the huge amounts of fuel that rockets require here. You just make the payload travel fast enough on these tracks, and then it shoots off, escaping the moon's gravity. But why do this? So this ties directly into the Terafab announcement, which I made a video on here. To quickly recap, the Terafab will produce millions of AI ships every year. These ships will go into millions of SpaceX's satellites that will act as AI data centers. These data centers will then handle massive amounts of AI training and run advanced models, enabling billions of people on Earth to use AI. Now, the long-term goal is to, instead of manufacture these satellites on Earth, manufacture them directly on the moon's surface. So once these satellites are built on the moon, the mass driver would shoot them into deep space at a fraction of the cost of traditional rockets and in massive numbers. Also, it's called a mass driver, where mass stands for the stuff that you shoot off into space and driver being the device that propels them off. This solves two problems at once. One, they avoid enormous launch costs for these satellites. And two, they take advantage of the moon's unlimited solar power and easy heat dissipation in space. On Earth, we're gonna soon hit hard limits on electricity and cooling for these AI data centers. But in space, you get constant sunlight that is about 5 times stronger than what we get down here. And of course, this opens the door to scale AI compute to extreme numbers. As for timeline and cost, this is very much a long-term plan. Elon has, however, said he wishes to live long enough to see these mass drivers operate on the moon, because that would be incredibly epic. Realistically, we're probably talking about decades before there's a fully operational mass driver on the moon. And Starship is the key enabler here. It can deliver over 100 tons of cargo and construction equipment to the moon in a single flight. And then the Optimus robots from Tesla will likely build these mass drivers. This whole idea is part of the bigger Tesla, SpaceX and XA collaboration we talked about in the last video. Ships from Terafab help power everything, Starship delivers the hardware, and Optimus builds on the moon's surface. Super ambitious, definitely. One thing's for sure though, the future won't be boring. So what do you think? Will we see a mass driver on the moon's surface in our lifetimes? Drop your thoughts about that in the comments below. And if you like this video, press subscribe and the bell.